Welcome to our channel, the TABS Life Science Academy. Today we will learn about the human circulatory system and the blood circulation throughout our human body. So before starting today's topic, we all know that our circulatory system is mainly the double circuit. Why this type of circulatory system is called double circuit? Because first of all, heart pumps the deoxygenated blood. As I say in my previous video, that is the respiration and respiratory system of human. There I said that heart mainly pumps the deoxygenated blood which reaches to the lungs, and then that carbon dioxide diffuses towards the lungs, and then the oxygen passes and enters into the blood, which mainly comes near the heart and then distributed throughout the body. So that's why this is called the double circulatory system. So now we will learn about our structure of heart. So we all know that our heart is mainly four-chambered heart, where there are two atrium and two ventricle. So in this side there is a right atrium and the right ventricle. So between this atrium and ventricle there is a tricuspid valve, and in this left hand side, that is the left atrium and left ventricle, there is a bicuspid valve, which is also known as the mitral valve. So in this right atrium, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava comes into from the whole body, and in this left atrium portion, pulmonary veins, which mainly comes from the lungs, and they carry mainly the oxygenated blood. Next, here there is a aorta which mainly connected to the ventricle, and they distributed the oxygenated blood throughout the body. And here is the pulmonary artery which mainly carry the deoxygenated blood, and this mainly enters into the lung, and then the carbon dioxide diffuses throughout the body via our respiratory system. So now we will learn about the main blood circulation. So in this left hand side picture you can see that mainly the deoxygenated blood that comes from the whole body, that are transferred into this right atrium through the inferior and superior vena cava, and then this deoxygenated blood mainly passes into this right ventricle through the tricuspid valve, and then this deoxygenated blood is distributed through the pulmonary artery into this lung, and then we all know that carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into our respiratory system, and then they comes out from the body. But at a time, at the left portion there are some pulmonary veins which are mainly connected with the lung, and so the oxygenated blood mainly comes into this left portion, and this left portion is called mainly oxygenated portion. Here this oxygenated blood then passes into this left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, and then all bloods, mainly oxygenated bloods, is distributed through our all body via this aorta. And this is mainly the blood circulatory system. You can see that this is the cycle, that's the lung, pulmonary veins, and then left atrium, and then left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, and then from the left ventricle this comes into the aorta, and then it comes to the body tissue. Then from the body tissue all deoxygenated blood comes through the vena cava into the right atrium, and then it passes into this right ventricle, and then it passes throughout the pulmonary arteries into this lung. So this is all about the human circulatory system. If you like our video, please share and subscribe our channel for next session and stay with us. Thank you.